Hello everyone! Today I'll be making Hasselback potatoes, something that I've wanted to make for a while. I've never tried, so I'm in for an interesting ride. I'm excited to see how it's going to turn out today. Hasselback potatoes, as I know it, is somewhat of an elegant baked potato dish. It's elegant eating, but very simple to make. I'm using brushed potatoes as it's readily available. I washed and brushed this the night before, left it out on a plate to dry. It's completely dry. We'll now get on with the slicing. I'll now show you how to do it. This is how I've sliced the first few potatoes. I haven't sliced it this way before. Let me show you how I've done it. Just get one whole potato. Just put the potato here, put your hand here, get your knife. Use your eye to estimate the depth of slicing. So I'll just go slightly halfway, just slightly halfway. You just have to estimate. I've estimated not to cut too deep. Just keep slicing until you reach the end of the potato. Put your hand here. You can turn the potato halfway around so that you can continue slicing it the other way till the end. Don't cut off the end part. Now that's how it's sliced. If you can see that. Can you see the sliced cuts? That's how you want your potato cut. I'll show you the other one now. I'll show you another one. Not too deep. You'll get the hang of it once you've done a few. I'm not an expert. This is the first time I've been doing this. I haven't done this before. I'm just using my eye to estimate the depth of the cut. Now there you go. That's the second one I'm showing you. I'll continue until I've completed the rest of all the potatoes. If you've accidentally sliced off the end, you can just stick it right back. It sort of acts like a glue. If there's water coming out of your potato, just get a paper towel and wipe it dry. Now that's all done. I've lined a baking tray with foil and added a little bit of canola oil onto the foil. Just place the potatoes in the baking tray. In a bowl, I've got here some canola oil, about 2 tablespoons of canola oil, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of dried mixed herbs. Give that a stir. This will serve as a light potato marinade for baking. Using a pastry brush, just coat the oil mixture onto the potatoes, the top of the potatoes. This acts as a seasoning for the potatoes when baking. Potatoes will be garlicky, oily, and crispy when baked whole. Spread them out even more and just distribute all the marinade onto the potatoes. This is 10 brushed potatoes, approximately just over 1 kg. Preheat your oven to 180°C for about 15 minutes. Pop these into the oven for at least 50 minutes, and then we'll get on with the next step. The potatoes have been baking for 50 minutes and I'm about to take them out of the oven. It's looking beautiful. They look stunning, nice and crispy on the top, and it smells divine as well. I'm just going to top it with cheese. I grated about 100 grams of cheese here. Any block cheese will do. Just pop them on the top to melt. I'll slide it back into the oven for a few minutes until the cheese is melted through. Just top it generously with cheese. Who doesn't love cheese? We all do. Just gonna pop them back into the oven for a few minutes until the cheese melts through. Doesn't take too long in there, about a minute or so, and it's done. See how gooey it is? Gooey and cheesy it is. Our Hasselback roast potatoes are done. Here is my roast Hasselback cheesy potatoes. Look at the slice of that. Look at the cut. Just press the potato a little bit and it's going to loosen up. And you get to see the knife work on that potato. Absolutely stunning. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video and subscribe if you haven't yet already. Until next time, happy cooking and bon appetit.